How do you turn a great idea into something truly special? Over the last few years, IBM has traveled to multiple strategic locations throughout the DACH region with its newly created mobile pop-up, strengthening IBM brand awareness and solutions. The result was overwhelming, but we didn't stop there. Setting up camp for 10 days in Berlin, our mission was to spread a comprehensive brand experience into every corner of this IT-relevant city and become a tangible and surprisingly innovative brand in the relevant set. With the pop-up in the center, we created a huge variety of event topics to make sure everyone had their individual point of contact within one presence. Starting in close proximity to the pop-up, IBM extended their outreach to nearby cinemas, restaurants, stores, boats, bus tours, and even a bowling center. Every single event and interactive showcase was tailored to the daily needs and pain points of our audience to make sure that everyone could take away a new learning, a catchy thought, a different view, or an interesting new contact, all linked to our brand. Using the motto, "Show, don't tell," we presented hands-on innovations like the tech-driven interaction with IBM's analyzing robot dog Spot, or the IBM Cloud Lifter as an experience element for the necessary change of perspective. Through consistent storytelling in every communication element and different add-ons like the tag wall, workshops, IBM Garage sessions, and hypertasting, we created a comprehensive brand experience. Although all the design elements remain similar, our presence remains flexible for all the different areas, like establishing a connection with the famous Berlin East Side Gallery, with our IBM graffiti wall as a social media hotspot and co-creation touchpoint. This led to comprehensive coverage from local and national TV stations, podcasts, and social media throughout the event. Given the fact that the pop-up only needs one transportation and installation for 40 individual events per city while reusing every item on a daily basis, it is an economically and ecologically strong solution. So, when Berlin called, this is what we packed: our mobile pop-up, an awesome load of great experiences, events, and innovations, and something special that can simply be described as the IBM brand experience.